Welcome back to CAVC TV. I am Sharon James, Deputy Principal at Cardiff and the Vale College. As you know, all college sites have been closed over the past 2 weeks due to the firebreak lockdown in Wales. So this week, I'm updating you from home. This episode will provide a quick reminder of all the support that is available to you at college. You will be in regular contact with your teachers and they are there for you to talk to if you need help with anything. But we also have a dedicated support team here for you. Many of you are already linking with them. And this week, this episode will remind you how you can access these support, whether you're online or learning on campus.
Hello, my name is James and I'm Dean of Learner Journey here at the college. Our dedicated and friendly support teams are on hand, whether that be online or on campus. We have a huge range of support for you, whether that's applying for university, applying for finance, career aspirations, or whether you need to speak to someone about a wellbeing issue. Our teams are on hand to answer any queries that you have, in campus or online. Let's go meet some of the teams.
Student Services are here to help you with a range of things, including financial support and travel advice. If we can't help you, we will point you in the right direction with any general questions that you might have.
If you have any questions about work experience, progression to university, your next steps, or how to start your own business, the Careers and Ideas team are available to support you. We have lots of information on the student portal for you to find out more, or you can join us on Teams or in the Careers and Ideas Hub on campus for a chat.
Making sure you're feeling safe and well is really important to us, and we're here for you to talk to. This can be face-to-face when you're on campus, either with your tutor or one of the team in the wellbeing hubs we have at all sites. Just ask at reception if you're not sure where to find us. Click on Wellbeing on the student portal or on the app for more information, including how to access wellbeing support remotely. The portal and app can also be used to report a concern or link to other organisations outside the college that can also help. We have a team that can support you if you have a learning and/or physical difficulty or disability. We can provide assistance in or out of class, provide one-to-one study support, support with mobility, act as note takers, readers or scribes, provide personal care and help with arrangements for exams, to name just a few. Just tell your tutor if you feel you need additional support or drop into one of our ALN hubs, either on campus or online.
From resetting your password, accessing ebooks and help with Office 365, support with study skills, coursework, literacy, numeracy and digital skills, the Success and Skills team are available to you in a number of ways. Chat to us on Teams, visit us when you're next on campus, text, email or call us, and we can ensure you get the support you need.
For contact information on all our support teams, head to the student portal and click on the green banner supporting you. Here you'll be able to access all our support teams and get the advice and guidance that you need.
From Monday, the 9th of November, the 2-week firebreak in Wales ends, and instead there'll be new national measures in place for everyone in Wales. College sites will reopen and your timetable will go back to what it was before half term. That means that you're able to return to college for the lessons that you would usually have on campus. Don't forget, you can see the location of your classes, whether on campus or online, via the timetable on Mae CAVC app. And your teachers too will also be able to answer questions on where your class will take place. When on campus, all safety guidance remains the same. Please always remember the basics. 2 metre social distancing and wearing masks anywhere on campus outside of your classroom. Wash hands regularly. And don't come into campus if you have COVID-19 symptoms or you or a member of your household are required to self-isolate. That's it for this week. Please access the support that's available to you if you need it, and then we can ensure you get the most out of your CAVC experience. And as ever, please just talk to us. Diolch, stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you.